Hello? Hello? Hey, the second Five Nights at Freddy's is out, and everybody wants you to do a not scary of it.
Pizza!
Oh, well, not quite sure I agree with this design. Holy crap, I look like a woman. So, what about Chica? Well, everybody last time complained about how she was a girl, so
Hi, everybody!
Oh, dear God.
You're my very best friend. And you're mine too, Todd. And we'll always be friends.
Wait, my name's Todd? Mom? Mom, is that you?
Do you want some pancakes?
Hey! Are you coming? Alright, that's fine. I'll just sit here and wait. Why did the chicken cross the road to get to the other?
Pizza! Can I come in your room?
Da 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 da. Da 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 ba ba da ba 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 da da.
Dashing through the fence, this story makes no sense. I still got some pancakes.
Mom, no, don't go. Mom, I love you. Sup, bro? After working so many years at Freddy's, I knew it was my time to leave this world. My obsession grew so great that the moment that he said he was leaving, I knew it was time for me to leave too. Goodbye, Justin Bieber.
Pizza!